How to see who likes you on Bumble. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see who likes you on Bumble. So to do that, first of all, download the Bumble app and then simply open it. Now make sure you have a Bumble account set up or signed up for Bumble already. Now once you've signed up, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where in order to like someone, all you have to do is simply swipe to the right and then you will have liked someone. Now in order to see who has liked you on Bumble, all you have to do is simply tap on this love icon which is on the bottom side of the screen. Now as you can see, this person has currently liked me, but if you look closely you can only see their blurred face or profile. This really doesn't help as you won't be able to see their profile or their name. So there is only one way on how you can see who liked you on Bumble, that is by simply upgrading to premium to see who liked you. So in order to upgrade to premium, simply tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom left corner of your screen. After that you will see all of the different plans, so simply tap on the option upgrade and then you will be able to choose any one of these plans. And once you upgrade your Bumble to premium, you will be able to see who liked you without having to blur them. So if you don't have Bumble premium, you won't be able to see who liked you on Bumble. You can only see their blurred face. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.